Our Pumpkin Lush is one of the most popular recipes on balancingmotherhood.com. It's the perfect no-bake dessert for Thanksgiving or Christmas. Let's start by making the crust. You need 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. So put graham crackers in a food processor and pulse it until you get really fine crumbs. Add those to a bowl with 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar and 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Mix that together, and then you're going to press it into a 9x13 pan. You can use your hands, the back of a spatula. We used a glass, and just press it in, and then you're going to bake it at 350 for about 5 minutes, just until it sets. Now you're going to make the cheesecake layer. You're going to get 16 ounces of cream cheese, that's 2 blocks, and 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, and just cream that together until it's all combined. And then you're going to fold in a cup of whipped topping, and do this gently so that the whipped topping doesn't fall flat. Now you've got this gorgeous thick cream cheese layer that you can spread over the graham cracker crust and just get a nice even layer. Put that in the refrigerator to chill while you're making the pumpkin layer. Now the pumpkin layer, you have to make a little bit of a pudding with some vanilla pudding and half and half, and mix that together. And then you're going to add in 15 ounces of canned pumpkin puree, and of course add some pumpkin spice. Mix that together, and then once again you're going to fold in a half a cup of your whipped topping and mix that together until it's all combined, and then put this layer on top of the cold cream cheese layer. Add a layer of just whipped topping. You can add chopped pecans on this. This is an incredible, easy, no-bake dessert that looks so fabulous. It's perfect for Thanksgiving and Christmas and any type of fall activity. Like and follow for more easy recipes. This is our double layer pumpkin pie. It's a no-bake dessert with a cheesecake layer on the bottom, pumpkin on the top. This is a great alternative to traditional pumpkin pie. It is super easy. Let me show you how to make it. Start with 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, and then you're going to take just a tablespoon of evaporated milk, and you're going to mix that together until it's all incorporated. Add in a tablespoon of sugar, and then you're going to fold in 1.5 cups of whipped topping, and just gently fold over under until it's all incorporated. And then put this in the bottom of a graham cracker crust and just spread it evenly on the bottom. Now you're going to use the rest of that can of evaporated milk, and you need 2 packages of instant vanilla pudding mix, and you're just going to stir that together. It's going to get nice and thick in consistency, and then you're going to be able to add in the pumpkin, and this makes it a really nice creamy pumpkin top layer. This is just a can of pumpkin puree. You're going to put this into the vanilla pudding mixture along with 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. This really makes it a great pumpkin pie. It gives you all those pumpkin flavors and makes it smell so good. You're going to mix this until you get a good consistent color, and you're going to pour this on top of the cream cheese layer and just spread this out evenly, and then you're going to refrigerate this for about 4 hours. So be sure to like and follow for more easy recipes. Today we're making our popular no-bake Cool Whip pumpkin pie. You're going to start with 12 ounces of room temperature cream cheese and add 1 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. And then you need 1.5 cups of pumpkin puree and 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Get a hand mixer or a stand mixer and cream this together until it's all uniform in color. It'll take a couple of minutes. Now you're going to fold in 1 container, about 8 ounces of whipped topping. Just gently take your spatula under and over and under and over until it's fully combined, and again, it's uniform in color. I usually like to scrape the sides of the bowl down so that I get all of it mixed in completely. Once it is good and mixed together, now you're going to put it into a 9-inch graham cracker crust. You can bake this from scratch or buy one from the store, and you're just going to gently put it in and smooth it out into one even layer. Now you need to chill this for a couple of hours, and then you can take it out and put the topping on. This is 8 more ounces of Cool Whip. You could use canned whipped cream. You can make a stabilized whipped cream. This is called a Cool Whip pumpkin pie because it uses a lot of Cool Whip, and it's delicious, and look how gorgeous that looks as a frosting. And now you're ready to slice and serve. This is a great alternative to traditional pumpkin pie. You can make it ahead, which makes it something great for Thanksgiving and Christmas dinner. Be sure to hit a like and follow for more easy recipes.